What if you could track your laundry store's performance, streamline your operations, and grow your business all with one tool? The Huebsch Command technology suite puts that unprecedented power into the hands of laundry owners so they can run a smarter business. This fully integrated cloud-based solution offers remote machine control, robust analytics, flexible payment systems, next-level marketing capabilities, and 24/7 world-class support. At the center of it all is Huebsch Command, a 360-degree cloud-based control center for your entire operation. Measure the performance of your business with powerful analytics, control machines remotely, and get notified of maintenance issues as soon as they happen. Huebsch Command works on any desktop or tablet browser, and the Huebsch Command Owner app offers an intuitive mobile experience so your business is always with you. Huebsch Command is easy to use, deeply customizable, and readily scalable, so you can be in command of your business's growth. Stand out from the competition by offering your customers a modern laundry experience with the Huebsch app. This easy-to-use mobile application gives your customers flexible and convenient payment options and the ability to view cycle times, get notifications, and earn rewards along the way. Best of all, the Huebsch app captures customer contact information and tracks how they interact with your store, giving you incredible insight into how you can grow. Put that data to work with the Huebsch Customer Relationship Management Platform, a powerful marketing tool that allows you to offer personalized rewards and promotions to your customers right from Huebsch Command. The Huebsch CRM lets you segment customers into targeted groups, create marketing campaigns, send them via text, email, or in-app notification, and track the success of your efforts. Whether it's new customer promotions, upcoming reminders, special self-service prices, or wash, dry, fold incentives, the Huebsch CRM gives you a personalized connection to your customers that helps your business grow. The Huebsch Command technology suite is available in tiered packages that can be easily expanded as your business grows. Visit Huebsch.com today to schedule a free demonstration and see how Huebsch Command can maximize your vended laundry investment. Brought to you by Huebsch, your smart laundry partner.